那代表没有结果哎。Okay, so the pattern is figure 1 is 1. So the 2 is 1 plus 2. Figure 3 is 1 plus 2 plus 3. So figure 10 is 1 plus 2 until 10, right? So how do you get the sum of all these numbers? So it's 1 plus 10 times 10 divided by 2, right? If you refer to your formula, but you are not supposed to do that because in exam you are not allowed to use cheat sheet, right? So the answer here is 55, right? Okay. Now, if you do the second one, so the second one says figure. The second one says figure 95, right? So figure 95 is also the same. 1 plus 95 times 95, right? Divided by 2. Can you help me out with the answer? This is part A. This is part B. Okay? Then now, they ask whether 100 white circles are there. So, you just work backwards. Okay? What do I mean by that? How to work backwards? You need to learn how to work backwards, okay? So, 1 plus 10, for the figure 10 is 1 plus 10 times 10 divided by 2, right? So now the question you ask yourself is, instead of 10, this one will be something times something will give you 100. So therefore, once you have this, can you see? You can cross multiply. So once you cross multiply, what do you get? You get 1 plus x times x equals to 200, right? So now the question you ask yourself is, you need to have something times something plus 1 that can give you 200. Okay? So you can try it out. Like 9 times 10 is 90, right? Right? So you just test. So maybe you test 14 times 15. Yep, you can do it that way, but if you don't know how to do x squared, you just try this way. So 14 times 15, what do you get? Yeah, 210. So seems like 14, 15 is overshoot. So you can try 13, 14. What do you get? 182. So clearly, you will not get 200. So if you try to do it this way, trial and error, you'll see that this can't exist. Okay. Let's say if you want to do it the x square way, right? I'm going to show you. Because some of the P6 students, they cannot solve x squared, so I don't want to teach you the x squared. So you go in 200, right? Then you move the 200 over. So this is called a quadratic equation. So if you have a quadratic equation, you go to your calculator. There is a you don't have a calculator here, but never mind. If you go to your calculator, you choose option. Basically, you just go to your calculator. There is an option that you can solve ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. You just need to key in your a, b, c. So the a in this case is 1. The b in this case is 1. The c in this case is minus 200. So you key in 1, 1 to minus 200, then they will tell you what's your x. If you get a good value of x, means it's a whole number, 整数, that means is valid. If you get fraction, no, because you cannot have the figure 10.5, right? There is no figure 10.5, right? Huh? How to solve without the calculator? You mean this question? I asked you to do it this way. Trial and error. Or if not, This is a sec 2. If without using calculator, it's a sec 2 knowledge. It's a sec 2 question already.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
Because there is a formula. The formula looks a bit little bit complicated. So the formula is this: x is equal to minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a.
那个是 two 是吗
2a.
？two。
So if you want to find out, then you use this formula. If you don't want to find out, it's fine. Actually, you're not supposed. I mean, you don't need to use the formula. Actually, you don't need to use the formula.
Yes.
If you have brought your calculator, I can show you immediately. Key in 1, key in 1, key in minus 200. Straight away they give you the
考
answer.
试上用不了，给他找一个
No, 可以。
考试上
你 which one? You talk about P6 or Sec 1?
考试 P6。
P6. No, P6 PSLE you can use, but your AIS cannot.
Shit.
Yeah. So when it comes to your AIS, actually your AIS